Welcome to this comprehensive pharmacology lecture on levocetirizine oral liquid, available as syrup and oral drops. Levocetirizine is a second-generation antihistamine commonly prescribed in children and adults for allergic disorders. In this video, we will cover formulation strengths, dosing, mechanism of action, indications, adverse effects, contraindications, precautions, drug interactions, monitoring parameters, and important patient counseling points. Generic and brand names. Levocetirizine dihydrochloride is marketed under several brand names such as Xyzal, Levocet, LCZ, Vozet, and Texine. These brands differ in name but contain the same active drug. Drug classification. Levocetirizine belongs to second-generation H1 antihistamines. These drugs selectively block peripheral H1 receptors and produce minimal central nervous system effects compared to first-generation antihistamines. Dosage forms and strengths. Levocetirizine oral liquid is available as syrup and drops, making it especially useful in pediatric patients and those who have difficulty swallowing tablets. Syrup strength is commonly 2.5 mg per 5 ml. Route of administration. Levocetirizine oral liquid is administered orally and is rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Dose, edgewise dosing. Levocetirizine dosing depends on age. Younger children require lower doses, while adolescents and adults receive 5 mg once daily. Syrup allows accurate dose titration. Dose adjustment in renal disease. Since levocetirizine is primarily excreted unchanged by the kidneys, dose adjustment is required in renal impairment, and the drug should be avoided in severe renal failure. Mechanism of action. Levocetirizine selectively blocks H1 histamine receptors, preventing histamine-induced symptoms such as itching, sneezing, rhinorrhea, and wheal formation. Pharmacological actions. By blocking histamine effects, levocetirizine effectively reduces allergic symptoms with minimal sedation, making it suitable for daytime use. Pharmacokinetics ADME. Levocetirizine is rapidly absorbed, minimally metabolized in the liver, and excreted mainly unchanged through the kidneys. This explains its predictable action and safety profile. Indications. Levocetirizine oral liquid is commonly prescribed for allergic rhinitis, chronic urticaria, and other histamine-mediated allergic conditions, especially in children. Side effects. Levocetirizine is well tolerated. Mild drowsiness or dry mouth may occur. Serious adverse effects are rare. Contraindications. The drug is contraindicated in patients with severe renal failure and in those with known hypersensitivity to levocetirizine or related antihistamines. Precautions. Caution is advised in elderly patients and those with renal impairment. Alcohol may increase drowsiness, and patients should be careful while driving. Drug-drug interactions. Levocetirizine has minimal drug interactions, but concurrent use with alcohol or CNS depressants can increase sedation. Drug-food interaction. There are no clinically significant food interactions, allowing flexible administration. Use in special populations. Levocetirizine is considered relatively safe in pregnancy if needed. It is widely used in pediatrics due to its good safety profile. Overdose. Overdose may cause excessive sedation in adults or agitation in children. Treatment is supportive as there is no specific antidote. Monitoring parameter. Routine lab monitoring is not required in short-term use. Renal function should be monitored during prolonged therapy or in renal disease. Advantages of oral liquid form. The oral liquid formulation allows precise dose adjustment in children and improves patient compliance. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more detailed pharmacology lectures.